Okay, this is how I fix plastic gas tanks. You can see this one has two cracks. There's one crack, and where'd the other one go? Right there. You can see it cracked right along there and going up in here. First thing I do is fill it full of water, because I'm going to use a soldering iron to melt it back together, and I don't want it blowing up on me. Alright, I'm going to grab some sandpaper, sand everything down real good first. Okay, sanded everything down with a coarse grid sandpaper. Not really sure what it is. Maybe 400 grit or something like that. Pretty rough. Anyway, get everything scratched up real good. That'll give you a good place for the glue to hold on to. Meanwhile, I got my soldering iron heating up. Probably should get it off my tailgate. And come back when I start hitting it with the soldering gun. Alright, got my soldering gun heated up, and what I do, main thing is to find the end of the crack, and the end I make sure I go down real deep, and hopefully that's gonna stop the crack from spreading. Then I just kind of work my way, making little indentions like that. Then when it comes time for the glue, I make sure I work that into it real good. Got a text message. Anyway, melting it like this helps hold everything together. And then once you put that glue in there, it's pretty much solid. Anyway, come back again after I'm done. Alright, I'm done with this side. It's pretty roughed up, and if you can see, it's already not leaking. So once we put the glue on there, it's for sure not to leak. Well, hopefully. That's the idea anyway. Anyway, I'm going to work on the other side now. Alright, now that both sides are not leaking, I'm sure of that, I'm gonna go ahead and drain the water and let the tank dry out, because once we put the glue on, I'm gonna let it sit for probably 2 days to make sure it's fully dry before I put any gas back into it. Now it's up to the store to get some glue. Alright, for the glue or epoxy or whatever, I picked up this stuff called Water Weld by JB Weld. They also have another one that I've used, can't remember the name, it starts with an M, but crap. Mainly, what you're looking for, I don't know if that's going to focus or not, but resistant to oil, gas, all that crap. Anyway, it's the kind that you have to knead together between your fingers. I don't know if you can see that or not, but cut off the amount you want, press it together in your fingers, and push it into all that we made with the soldering gun. Alright, I'm going to start working on that. Alright, here it is. After I put it on, this is kind of why I like the other one. I can't remember the name of it. The other one's black, so it's not as noticeable. But that's a big crack on that side. And this was all I could find. This is also after you let it fully dry, you can kind of sand it down and even paint it if you wanted to. I might hit this up with a flat black, kind of make it less noticeable. But anyway, that's how you fix a plastic gas tank and make it hold. A lot of people, they just sand it down and put this stuff on it. Only lasts like a month or two, but I found if you use that soldering iron, melt it all together first, and I normally go past a little bit also, and kind of make those little holes that this stuff can really grab onto and normally holds up. Alright, thanks for watching.